Welcome. My name is Larry, but can refer to me as Cold Python. Please apologies for my ugly voice, but I guess I'm not here to talk about my voice. Here to show you how you can actually make money from cryptocurrency without investing a dime. All you have to invest in is your time and maybe your internet data while making use of your social media handles. So, what are bounties? Bounties are tasks given to you by project coins that are just coming out. These project coins they need visibility, they need followers, they need investors. So in order to get all this, they have to do some form of marketing, and they pay people to market them using their social media handles. They might make a tweet or share a post on their Facebook wall, and the bounty hunters will just go there and maybe retweet that post or reshare that post from their handles. So it's very easy, and after a period of time, you can get paid for the task you have done. The rewards are usually very high. You can get paid depending on the value of these tokens by the time they enter the exchange. But let me not bore you with all that. I'll quickly take you around how you can go about it. So first, go to your URL and you type bountyhive.io. Hit enter. Okay, just wait for it to load. I have 4G network yet. It's so slow. Okay, there we are. Just take this out. So we need to sign up since it's our first time using it. Just click on sign up there. There we are. So just choose a username. Let me see something I haven't used before. Okay. Email. G gmail.com. Yeah, this is good. Password. Bounty to hunt. Yeah, just confirm that password again. To hunt. There we are. Register. There. Now we go to our email to confirm the link sent to us and verify the account. There we are. Good. Now we can go back and log in to our account. So we're fully registered. Click already have an account. Oh, there. So everything's there, all set and done. I log in. Great. So here is your dashboard. Here you can see all the available bounties that are currently running. You can choose any one of them. But before we do that, we need to link our social media accounts to Bounty Hive. Now, don't worry, they won't be posting on your behalf or doing anything illegal. It's just for the record. Every time, once you link your account, every time you make a post, it's recorded on their website. So by time they have to calculate the scores of what you have done so far, it will be used to reward you in tokens. Each campaign has tiers, they have levels depending on how much task you accomplish. So we go to settings. So from settings, you can see your account details. You click on bounty here, and from here you need to link your wallet. So do well to link your Ethereum wallet, because that's where your tokens will be sent to. You can just link this one now and then hit save, then enter your password, and it's saved. So your wallet is saved. You can check it there at any time and it will just open up. Then you need to link your Facebook account. So click on the Facebook. You enter your Facebook name, the name you used to register, or the name that's appearing on your Facebook account. This is mine. Here's my Facebook link. There. Then profile ID. You need to go and find a way to get your profile ID. I just click on this, how to find your profile ID. Open in a new tab. Here it helps you find it automatically. But first you need to make sure that your Facebook account is visible. If not, you have to go to your profile and make sure that your account settings is set to visible, such that search engines will be able to find it. So here I'll just put my profile link here, then find numeric ID. There, that's my personal ID. So I go back and save this in the profile ID on Bounty Hive, and I click submit. There we are. Done. Now we link a Twitter account. Just authorize. My Twitter is already logged in, so I don't have to enter my ID and password. Just authorize that. Easy as ABC. And then the next one you have to do is your Telegram. Yes, you need to have a Telegram account. So if you don't have one, go and open one. You can open a web Telegram. You can open directly from the app on Play Store or iOS App Store. So click on Enter Telegram. Now this is where it gets kind of tricky, because you need to link your Telegram ID to the Bounty Hive bot before you can actually start using it. So here is how it's done. Let me quickly select my Telegram account. Okay, so click on talk to the bot. It loads. Allow this page to open Telegram. Yes. Once it opens the app, click on start. How can I help you? Start campaigns, how to start. Click on how to start. So it's still loading. Sorry, don't click on how to start. Go back to your browser. Where's okay, I think it's still here. We'll just back it. There we are. Type /login. So I'll just copy that Telegram code here. I don't know whether that's copied. There. Copy. Go to your Telegram. Paste it and hit send. That's your login code right there. So just memorize it. 599438. You have to enter it before 5 minutes elapses. 99438, I think, and then submit. There. So now we've been able to link our Facebook, Twitter, and Telegram accounts to Bounty Hive. Now we need to start hunting for bounties that we can connect with. If you have a Reddit account, you can also link your Reddit accounts, but Reddit bounties require you to make comments on specified threads or relevant threads, and then you need to have a minimum of 8 upvotes at least to be able to qualify for the bounty. So it's a kind of difficult task because you need people to actually upvote your comment. They need to like your comment and enough for them to upvote it. So it's kind of difficult. That's why it's better to stick with the easy parts that involves the Facebook and Twitter bounties. Even the Telegram bounty, if you're fast enough. Yes, you need to understand that you have to be fast anytime there's a bounty that comes up. That's why you need to join the Telegram group of Bounty Hive so you don't miss any new bounties that come up. Bounties are updated almost on a weekly basis. Let me say a week or 2 weeks, so every week or 2 weeks. So you need to be very active to join them on time because there's a lot of people rushing it right now. So you need to be fast, always with your phone, always active, always ready. Here's the latest bounty on Bounty Hive. Let's just use it as a sample. So click on it, Productivist. That's the name of the project. Here you can see in this drop down, these are the various bounties that you can participate in. Remember, we've linked our Facebook, we've linked our Twitter account, and we've linked our Telegram. So let's start with Facebook. Oh, there's still space. We can still join. 6,946 out of 7,000 participants. So you can quickly scroll down, tick I agree to the terms, and then swipe to participate. That's it. You're now enrolled in the Productivist campaign. What you can do from there is just go to this page, click on the Facebook page, go and like their page, do that quickly, and you can start your bounty task from there. You can just go there. There. This is their latest tweet post, their latest Facebook post rather. Just like it and then share. That's done. That's done for today. Now let's go back there. Remember to read the rules of the campaign. Here are the tier levels. This is how the tokens, the bounty tokens will be distributed. So there are different tiers. Just make sure you know which one you fall in. That's why I said you need to have a lot of Facebook friends or Twitter followers in order to enjoy Bounty Hive. So these are the rules and guidelines. Always do well to go through it. For productivist Facebook bounty, you need to share 2 of their latest posts or create 2 original posts per week. So we've seen one of their latest posts and we've shared it. That means we need to share it one more time for this week in order to actually successfully score for this bounty week. So that's about it for Facebook. Let's check Twitter whether there's still space. Oh, Twitter is full already. So see, expansion limit for the Twitter campaigners. So we can't join this one anymore. That's just it about registering on Bounty Hive. You just need to continue to you need to be consistent with your posting. You need to continue posting as much as you can, every week till the end of the campaign. At the end of the campaign, you will be paid in the tokens of that bounty that you registered in. So it's that simple. This campaign ends in July. It's such a long time ago. That it's a long time away. That's we're in April, May, June, July. Wow, almost over 3 months. So that's about it. This is the date when the entries will be checked and your payments will be sent. That's everything you need to know about Productivist Bounty. So if you like this video or you like the idea of participating in bounties, even if you don't want to risk investing in cryptocurrency, this is a very nice way for you to just do some task and earn cryptocurrency tokens for your efforts. These tokens can then be traded for either Bitcoin or Ethereum, which can then be traded into your fiat currency, your local currency after that, and then you can earn some really cool cash. Or you can just keep the tokens and then become a cryptocurrency trader from there and just trade, buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell to your heart's content. So that's everything you need to know about Bounty Hive. So thank you very much for your time. It's your boy Code Python, over and